Join Liana Brackett,
And here we go.
Paul Goodlow,
If you like that, I got more on the way.
and Dr. Greg Postel. Weekend mornings starting at 9 on Weekend Recharge.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 83 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, thunderstorms early. A few storms may be severe. Low 76. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday, partly cloudy. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 95. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Back live on the Weather Channel in St. Louis, Missouri, live for you today.